Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you
How to take a photo using the eye level technique.
first, prepare your camera or phone, then make sure the subject is standing or sitting normally. Next, hold the camera at the same height as the subject's eyes. Don't point it from above or from below. Finally, take the photo. The result will show a clear and natural perspective, just like how we see in real life.
And that's how to take a photo using the eye